How to get smoke smell out of clothes fast. Detailed guide. Are you tired of smelling like a campfire even though you haven't been near one? Has your wardrobe taken on an unwanted smoky scent? Fear not, my friend. In this guide, we'll show you how to get smoke smell out of clothes fast. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Remove the clothes from the source of the smoke. When clothes are exposed to smoke, they can absorb the odor. This can make it quite difficult to remove. So, you need to prevent any additional smoke from clinging to the fabric. This is why it's important to remove the clothes from the source of the smoke. Take the clothes outside or away from the smoking area. This will ensure that the clothes are not exposed to any more smoke. If you're outside, take the clothes away from the smoking area. Then, hang them on a clothesline or something similar. If you're inside, take the clothes to a different room or area of the house without smoke. Be gentle with the clothes when you're removing them from the smoking area. This will prevent any additional debris or ash from clinging to the fabric. Once you've done this, proceed with the next step. Shake off loose ash and soot. This helps remove any debris that may have settled on the fabric and could contribute to the smoke odor. To shake off loose ash and soot, hold the clothing item away from you. This will prevent any debris from getting on your clothes or skin. Next, give the clothing item a good shake. You can shake it up and down, side to side, or in a circular motion to dislodge any loose ash or soot. Be sure to shake the clothing item gently and not too vigorously. This will ensure that you don't damage the fabric. You can repeat this process a few times to ensure that you've removed as much debris as possible. If the clothing item is particularly sooty or covered in ash, consider using a lint roller. Another option is a piece of sticky tape. These items can be used to remove any remaining debris. Run the lint roller or tape over the fabric to pick up any remaining ash or soot. Some products can help to remove ash and soot from clothing. Such products can be used to pre-treat soot and ash stains on clothing. After you've removed the ash and soot, try any of these methods to remove the smoke smell. Use baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the clothing item. Use enough baking soda to cover the fabric completely. You can use a spoon to sprinkle the baking soda evenly over the clothes. Once the baking soda is applied, let the clothes sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight. This will give the baking soda time to absorb the smoke odor from the fabric. After the baking soda has had time to work its magic, shake off the excess. Simply hold the clothing item away from you. Then, give it a good shake to remove any excess baking soda. You can also use a soft bristled brush to gently remove any excess baking soda. If this method doesn't work, try the next one. Use white vinegar. Start by filling a bucket or basin with warm water. Add 1 cup of white vinegar to the water and stir to combine. Once the water and vinegar are combined, add the clothes to the bucket. Make sure that the clothes are fully submerged in the water. Allow the clothes to soak in the water and vinegar solution for at least 30 minutes. This will give the vinegar time to help neutralize the smoke odor on the fabric. After the clothes have soaked, remove them from the solution and wring out any excess water. Do not rinse the clothes. The vinegar scent will dissipate during the drying process. Finally, wash the clothes, as usual, using a laundry detergent. Make sure to use the appropriate wash cycle and water temperature for your clothing. White vinegar can also be added directly to the washing machine if you prefer. Simply add 1 cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle of the washing machine. White vinegar may not be suitable for all types of fabric. Therefore, confirm that it can be used on your clothing item. To do this, simply check the care label on your clothing item. If the smoke smell lingers, try the following method. Use activated charcoal. Place activated charcoal in a mesh bag. A breathable cotton or muslin bag will work well. You can also use an old sock or pantyhose. A more straightforward option is to use activated charcoal bags. Place the clothes and the activated charcoal bags in a closed area or container. You can use a closet or a large plastic storage container. Make sure the area is dry and not exposed to moisture. Let the clothes and activated charcoal bags sit for at least a day. The activated charcoal will absorb the smoke odor from the clothes. After at least a day, remove the clothes from the closed area or container and take out the activated charcoal bags. You can either launder your clothes or wear them as usual. Activated charcoal is an effective and natural way to remove smoke odor from clothes. It's also safe and won't damage your clothes. Once again, confirm that activated charcoal can be used on your clothing item. Do the next method if the smoke smell is not eliminated completely. Use essential oils. Get a spray bottle and fill it with water. Although you can use tap water, distilled water is even better. This is because it doesn't have any minerals or impurities. Therefore, it won't affect the effectiveness of the essential oils. Next, add a few drops of your preferred essential oil to the water in the spray bottle. Popular choices for removing smoke odor include lavender and tea tree oil. You can also use other essential oils, such as lemon or eucalyptus. They have natural deodorizing properties. Shake the spray bottle well to mix the water and essential oils. Spray the clothes lightly with the water and essential oil mixture. Make sure you cover the entire garment, but don't oversaturate the fabric. Don't add too much moisture to the clothing. Allow the clothes to sit for a few minutes. This will allow the clothing to absorb the scent of the essential oils. You can leave the clothes for up to an hour if you want a more intense scent. Finally, wash the clothes as you normally would. You can use any laundry detergent of your choice. Then, dry them once you are done washing them. Essential oils are a natural and effective way to remove smoke odor from clothes. Moreover, they leave a pleasant scent behind. However, it's important to note that some essential oils can stain or damage certain fabrics. So always test a small, inconspicuous area of the clothing first. When you are sure it won't damage the clothing, you can use it freely. Although essential oils can help remove the smoke smell, they may not eliminate all the smell. If the smoke odor is very strong or has been embedded in the clothing for a long time, you can use other methods in conjunction with the essential oils. Speaking of methods, you can try this next one. Use a fabric conditioner. Add the clothes to the washing machine. Then, set the machine to the appropriate cycle and temperature for the fabric. Add your regular laundry detergent to the washing machine, as well as a fabric conditioner. A fabric conditioner helps soften fabric, reduces static cling, and adds a fresh scent to the clothes. The amount of conditioner you'll need to add depends on these factors: the size of the load and the strength of the smoke odor. If the load is much and the odor is particularly strong, you'll need a larger amount of fabric conditioner. Next, start the washing machine and let it run through the entire cycle. After the wash cycle is completed, remove the clothes. Then, dry them as recommended at the end of this video. Fabric conditioners will help remove any remaining smoke odor from the clothes. They'll also leave them smelling fresh and feeling soft. Fabric conditioners should not be used on all types of fabrics. Therefore, check the care label on the clothing before use. This way, you can be sure that it can be washed with fabric conditioners. In addition, some people may be sensitive to the fragrances in fabric conditioners. So use it in moderation. You can try the following method if you don't get the desired result. Use a smoke odor remover spray. Lay the clothes flat on a clean surface, such as a table or countertop. Make sure the clothes are spread out and not bunched up. Shake the smoke odor remover spray bottle well before use. Then, hold the spray bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from the clothes and spray the product evenly over the fabric. Pay extra attention to areas that are usually most affected by smoke odor. These areas include the collars, cuffs, and underarms. Let the spray sit on the clothes for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This will allow it to penetrate the fabric and eliminate any lingering odor. After the recommended wait time, wash the clothes in the washing machine as usual. You may choose to add a fabric conditioner to the wash cycle. This will make the smoke odor removal process more effective. Once the clothes are washed, hang them outside. Always read the label and follow the instructions of the product. Some products may require different wait times or application methods. Dry the clothes outside. Drying the clothes can either be done before washing or after washing or both. If the smoke smell is not strong, drying alone might eliminate the smell. If the smell is strong, and you've tried any of the methods in this video, it's still advisable to dry the clothes outside. This also applies to methods that don't require washing, such as the baking soda method. Regardless of the method you use, hang the clothes on a clothesline or drying rack. But ensure that they are getting direct sunlight and fresh air. Also make sure that the clothes are spread out evenly and not bunched up. Leave the clothes to dry outside for as long as possible. The UV rays from sunlight and fresh air will help eliminate any remaining smoke odor from the fabric. That said, don't leave your clothes out in the sun for too long, as these UV rays can also damage your fabric if they are delicate or cause the colors to fade if they are dyed. Also ensure you don't use dryers to dry your clothes when trying to get rid of smoke smell. This is because the heat from the dryer can cause the smoke smell to set in the fabric. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.